guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about Monstera Deliciosa. In this video, I'm gonna talking about two news, good news and bad news. Okay, so which news do you want to hear first? Of course, good news, right? So the good news is 2.5 weeks ago, I branch catting and I made a propagation. And they are rooted now. Okay, so I can show you here. They are so cool. It's very cool to watching them like every day, that the way they growing, you know, it's really cool. Okay, so here, look here. Do you see here? The root is growing very healthy and beautiful, and also here one more root, but I'm not sure that this is air root or normal root. Okay, but however they are growing. All I did is I just changed this water once a week, and I keep this catting in my kitchen counter where they can have medium to low sunlight. Okay, and they are doing really great, so I'm happy about it. And I'm going to have a new beautiful Monstera Deliciosa plant in a few more weeks for free, isn't it? So now it's time to talk about bad news. Okay, I don't really want to talk about it, but I think I need to share with you guys this so that you can also prevent, maybe you can also learn from something what I'm experiencing now. Okay, a few days ago I started to notice that my Monstera Deliciosa started to have this brown spot. I can show you closer, and back here, look. I am so confused. I don't know why is this happen, because I take care of them and I give them attention, and suddenly I started to see this brown spot on the leaves. I started to make research about why is this happen. You know, I got to find out right away. So that I found that for different reasons, and the main reason is you're overwatering. So if you overwater the plant, then you start to see this kind of spot on your plant, on your leaf. Okay, and the second reason is the root rotten inside. Okay, and the third reason is the root bound is very tight, because the pot is small, so that the root bound cannot grow anymore, so that they are kind of stressed. So that could be the one of the reason. And the last reason is could be they are not getting enough sunlight. Okay, the first reason, overwatering. So that I don't think that this is the issue of my problem, because I don't water them often. I just water them like once a week, or I just feel it if the soil is started to dry on the top of the layer, or I just poke it into the soil and I feel it, you know, the soil, the inside is dry enough or not, so that if they are completely dry, then I water them again, so that the overwatering is not the issue of my problem. Okay, so the next problem could be the root rotten. So I drag the whole plant out from the pot. I check it out, and the root bound inside doing great, and they are in good condition. So this is also not an issue of my problem. And so that I am just suspicious on this, the last two reasons, which is the root bound is very, you know, tight, so that they cannot grow anymore, so they are kind of stressed. That is the reason could be. So what I did is I just repot it to the bigger pot, and I also make sure that the pot has a good drainage hole, so that all the water that we water them can drain completely out from the pot. the last reason that they are not getting enough sunlight, so that I move the plant to a little bit closer where they can have good enough sunlight all day long. But sadly, the winter is coming soon, so they are never gonna have good enough sunlight in the winter, because in Scandinavia the winter is very long, at least 5 to 6 months. Okay, so that I have to find some kind of solution to give them brightness. And what else? Yeah, and one more important thing, when you move your plant next to the window, you got to make sure that in the winter our windows are freezing at night. Okay, so that if your leaf is touching with the window, then the cold draft, the freezing cold draft window can damage your leaf. So you got to make sure that the leaf is not touching with the window. Okay. And one more, if you start to see that the leaf, damaged leaf, then you have to cut them off. Okay, so that they are not, infect to the another leaves, I guess. But I started to see 3-4 new branches, new leaves. Yeah, so that I'm very happy, and they are gonna be like a split leaf, because I can see here they have hole. Okay, so yes, so just cut this damaged leaf off. Okay, don't keep it, so that maybe they can infect here. Also one more, just only on the tip. Yes, I guess this is all for today, and if you ever experienced like this before, please give me, if you have any good idea or good suggestion that how you manage to to get rid of this bad stuff, this brown spot, and that will be really appreciated. And yes, other than that, thank you for watching, and if you want to see more of great video about plants, please do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.